जी जी சார் கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே அங்கே இருக்கும் சார். முன்னாடி வராதீங்க, அங்கேயே நின்று இதுக்கு மேலே வர மாட்டேன்.
We are exciting to meet our Bangladesh players, and also to, next 2 days we have been conducted in the Chennai and Bangladesh match in our Chennai stadium. So we are very much exciting, and also Saibul Hussain and Najmul, those Bangladesh players are there are 2 matches in Pakistan. They have been washed out and whitewashed. Now they are coming to our Chennai, so our team which will be going to thrash them. And also our new coach Gambhir is very much eager to win his first test series, and as well as we are waiting to see Virat Kohli, Ravindra Jadeja, Rohit Sharma, and our Chennai own Ravichandran Ashwin. So we are very much excited to meet Bangladesh as well as and Chennai match.
இவர்